Do you ever picture yourself at the age of 60 or older and wonder what kind of shape you'll be in? Imagine being in your 60s and still effortlessly lifting grocery bags from the trunk of your car, trotting up the stairs to your apartment without breaking a sweat, and strolling for miles with your partner in the park without getting winded. Or do you see yourself struggling to get out of a chair, needing support to climb up the stairs, and unable to keep up with your grandkids during their weekend visit because you're too fatigued? The difference between these two scenarios boils down to one thing: the health of your muscles. The truth is that after the age of 60, your body begins to naturally lose muscle mass. And if you don't take steps to counteract it, you could find yourself losing your independence and even facing dangerous health complications. In this video, we'll explore why preserving muscle health becomes so crucial as you age and how you can actively protect against its decline. By adopting the simple strategies we discuss, you can maintain your mobility, vigor, and quality of life as you enter your golden years. So let's dive in together and discover how you can keep your muscles strong. Why does muscle loss happen after 60? The process of losing muscle mass accelerates dramatically after 60. But why does our body undergo this change after a certain age? There are several factors that contribute to the accelerated muscle loss experienced by individuals over 60. The primary reasons include reduced physical activity, hormonal changes, poor nutrition, chronic illnesses, and inflammation and oxidative stress. Let's look at each of these. Reduced physical activity. As people age, they tend to become less active. This means engaging in strength training exercises or performing daily activities that require physical exertion becomes less frequent. Without regular strength training or other forms of resistance exercise, your body starts to lose muscle mass and strength. It's essential to incorporate activities that challenge your muscles on a regular basis to maintain their health and functionality. Examples of strength training exercises include squats, lunges, push-ups, rows, and weightlifting. Hormonal changes. During aging, there's a natural decline in hormone levels, particularly testosterone, estrogen, and growth hormone. These hormones play vital roles in maintaining muscle mass and strength. Lower levels of these hormones can contribute to muscle loss. Testosterone and growth hormone are crucial for muscle growth and repair. Estrogen helps regulate muscle protein breakdown. As hormone levels drop, it can lead to a shift in the balance between muscle protein synthesis and breakdown, resulting in net muscle loss. Poor nutrition. A diet lacking in essential nutrients, especially protein, can exacerbate muscle loss as you age. Protein provides the building blocks for muscle repair and growth. When you don't consume enough protein, your body may break down muscle tissue for energy or fail to synthesize new muscle proteins, leading to muscle loss. Additionally, deficiencies in vitamins and minerals like vitamin D, B12, zinc, and magnesium can impair muscle function and contribute to overall weakness. Chronic illnesses. Certain chronic conditions like diabetes, arthritis, and heart disease can indirectly contribute to muscle loss. For example, diabetes can cause elevated blood sugar levels that negatively impact muscle tissue. Arthritis may lead to reduced physical activity, as pain and inflammation can make movement difficult, resulting in decreased muscle mass. Inflammation and oxidative stress. As you age, your body may accumulate more damage from daily activities and environmental factors. This damage leads to increased inflammation and oxidative stress. High levels of inflammation and reactive oxygen species can negatively affect muscle cells, hindering their ability to function and repair themselves, which can result in muscle loss. What are the dangers of ignoring muscle loss? When muscle loss isn't addressed, it can have serious implications for your overall health and well-being. Here are some of the potential dangers of ignoring muscle loss. Higher risk of falls and fractures. As muscle mass and strength decline, it can increase the likelihood of falls and fractures, particularly among older adults. Loss of muscle control and balance can make it more challenging to recover from a fall, potentially leading to fractures, especially in the hip area. Fractures can have significant consequences, including prolonged hospital stays, increased risk of infection, and reduced mobility. Loss of mobility and independence. Muscle loss can lead to reduced mobility, making everyday tasks like walking, climbing stairs, and getting up from a seated position more difficult. This can limit your independence and ability to perform daily activities, potentially leading to reliance on others for assistance. As mobility decreases, it can also impact your mental well-being and increase feelings of isolation or depression, slower recovery from illness or surgery. Wasting muscle mass can compromise your body's ability to recover from illness or surgery. Muscle loss can impair the immune system, making it harder for your body to fight off infections. It can also affect wound healing and increase the risk of complications post-surgery. When you lose muscle mass, your body becomes more vulnerable, which can prolong recovery times and increase the risk of setbacks. Reduced metabolism leading to weight gain. Muscle tissue is metabolically active and helps boost your resting metabolic rate. As muscle mass declines, your metabolic rate may slow down, leading to weight gain or making it more difficult to maintain a healthy weight. This can occur because muscle loss can make it harder to maintain an active lifestyle and engage in regular physical activity. Weaker immune system. Research shows that muscle loss is associated with a weaker immune system. Sarcopenia can impair the function of immune cells, making you more susceptible to infections and illnesses. This is because muscle tissue plays a role in immune function, and when it declines, your body's defense mechanisms become compromised, leaving you vulnerable to various health issues. How to prevent and reverse muscle loss after 60. Fortunately, there are proactive measures you can take to combat muscle loss and maintain your strength as you age. Let's discuss some effective strategies to help prevent and reverse muscle loss after 60. Prioritize strength training. Engage in strength training exercises that target all major muscle groups, including legs, hips, back, chest, shoulders, and arms. Aim for 2 to 3 strength training sessions per week. Gradually increase the intensity and gradually progress to heavier weights or higher resistance levels as your muscles adapt. Ensure that you warm up before each session and start with lighter weights or lower resistance levels if you renew to strength training. Always prioritize proper form and technique to prevent injuries. Incorporate exercises like squats, lunges, resistance band workouts, wall push-ups, and light weightlifting. Eat enough high-quality protein. Consume an adequate amount of high-quality protein daily. A general guideline is to aim for 1 to 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. Protein provides the essential amino acids needed for muscle repair and growth. Include lean protein sources in your daily diet, such as chicken breast, fish, eggs, beans, lentils, Greek yogurt, and nuts. If you struggle to meet your protein needs through diet alone, consider adding a protein supplement to your meals. Don't forget vitamin D and calcium. Vitamin D and calcium are vital for maintaining strong bones and muscles. Vitamin D helps the body absorb calcium efficiently. As you age, your body may not produce enough vitamin D, especially if you don't get much sunlight. Consider taking a vitamin D supplement as recommended by your healthcare provider. Calcium is essential for muscle function. Good sources of calcium include leafy green vegetables, dairy products, and fortified foods. Ensure you also get enough vitamin D to support optimal calcium absorption. Stay active every day. Engage in regular physical activity beyond strength training exercises. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic activity per week, spread throughout the week. Choose activities you enjoy, such as brisk walking, gardening, dancing, or swimming. Staying active helps maintain overall fitness and supports cardiovascular health, balance, and flexibility. Hydrate well. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated. Dehydration can reduce muscle performance and make it harder for your body to repair muscle tissue. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water daily. You may need more water depending on your activity level and climate. Carry a water bottle with you as a reminder and sip on it regularly. Get quality sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Sleep is essential for muscle repair and overall recovery. When you sleep, your body releases growth hormone, which plays a key role in muscle growth and repair. Establish a consistent sleep schedule and create a relaxing bedtime routine to improve sleep quality. By incorporating these evidence-based strategies into your daily life, you can actively work towards preventing and reversing muscle loss. Remember, it's never too late to invest in your muscle health and overall well-being. Embrace these changes and reap the benefits of a stronger, healthier you as you age. Bottom line, losing muscle after 60 doesn't have to be an inevitable part of aging. While it's true that our bodies start losing muscle mass as we age, we have the power to slow down this process or even reverse it. By prioritizing strength training, eating a balanced diet rich in protein, staying active, getting enough sleep, managing chronic conditions, and staying socially connected, you can maintain your muscle strength and overall well-being as you enter your golden years. Remember, small, consistent changes over time can make a big difference. It's never too early or too late to invest in your health. So start today and enjoy the benefits of a stronger, more vibrant you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.